The Samsung Galaxy S25 costs $999, but is it actually worth it in 2026? I tested it for 2 weeks and I've got to be honest with you. This phone has some impressive features, but it might not be the best buy for everyone. Look, the Galaxy S25 is a solid phone. It's got great performance, an excellent camera, and a beautiful display. But with the price tag, it's not going to be the right choice for everyone. If you're looking for a high-end flagship that checks all the boxes, this could be it. But if you're on a tighter budget, you might want to look elsewhere. Alright, let's dive in. When I first opened the box, I was impressed by the premium feel of the device. The metal and glass construction feels really solid, and it's got a nice slim profile. The 6.2-inch display dominates the front, with slim bezels that give it a modern, sleek look. The box also includes a USB-C charging cable, a SIM ejector tool, and some documentation. No charger, which is a bit of a bummer, but I guess that's the new normal these days. Overall, the unboxing experience is what you'd expect from a flagship phone: clean, minimal, and high quality. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 packs some serious power. It's got the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which delivers lightning-fast performance for everything from gaming to multitasking. There's 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, which should be more than enough for most users. The display is a real showstopper, a gorgeous 6.2-inch OLED panel with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. It's super bright, vibrant, and great for watching videos or playing games. The camera system is also really impressive. You're looking at a 50MP main camera, a 12MP ultra-wide, and a 10MP telephoto lens. It takes fantastic photos in a variety of lighting conditions with excellent detail, color accuracy, and dynamic range. Battery life is solid, with a 4000 mAh cell that easily gets me through a full day of use, and it supports fast charging, so you can top it up quickly when you need a boost. In day-to-day use, the Galaxy S25 is an absolute powerhouse. Apps launch instantly, multitasking is a breeze, and I haven't noticed any lag or stuttering, even with intensive tasks. The smooth 120Hz display makes everything feel super responsive and fluid. Gaming performance is also top-notch. I tested out a few graphically demanding titles, and they ran flawlessly, with no noticeable frame rate drops or overheating issues. The software experience is pretty typical Samsung, a bit cluttered with extra apps and features, but generally clean and intuitive. The fingerprint sensor is lightning fast and reliable, and I haven't had any connectivity issues with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Overall, the performance is easily on par with the best flagships out there. It's fast, reliable, and a joy to use. Alright, let's talk about the things I really love about this phone. First up, the camera system is seriously impressive. The 50MP main camera captures incredibly detailed, vibrant photos, even in challenging lighting conditions. The night mode is particularly impressive, pulling out loads of detail without introducing too much noise. The display is also a major selling point. That 6.2-inch OLED panel is simply gorgeous, with deep blacks, punchy colors, and exceptional brightness. It's perfect for watching videos, playing games, or just scrolling through your social feeds. And then there's the performance. As I mentioned, this thing is an absolute beast. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chip and 8 GB of RAM make it feel lightning fast, whether you're launching apps, multitasking, or playing the latest mobile games. Now, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are a few things about the Galaxy S25 that I'm not too thrilled about. First, the price tag. At $999, it's a pretty significant investment, and it puts it out of reach for a lot of people. And the battery life, while solid, isn't exactly class-leading. I'm usually able to get through a full day of use, but heavy users might find themselves reaching for a charger by the evening. It would have been nice to see a larger 500 mAh or 5000 mAh cell in a phone of this caliber. So what are other people saying about the Galaxy S25? Well, the reviews have been generally positive, with a lot of praise for the performance and camera. One buyer said, "This is hands down the fastest and most responsive Android phone I've ever used. The camera is also a massive upgrade from my old Galaxy." Another reviewer chimed in, "The display is seriously impressive. I'm constantly amazed by how vibrant and punchy the colors are, even in bright sunlight." And then there's this gem. "My dog chewed up the charging cable, so I had to buy a new one. 10/10 would recommend this phone to anyone who likes their phone to not be in a dog's stomach." So, is the Samsung Galaxy S25 worth the $999 price tag? Well, it really depends on your needs and budget. If you're in the market for a flagship-level Android phone with top-notch performance, an excellent camera, and a gorgeous display, then this could be a great choice. The speed, the camera, and the overall experience are all fantastic. However, if you're on a tighter budget or you don't need the absolute latest and greatest specs, then you might want to look at some other options. There are plenty of great mid-range and upper mid-range phones that offer a lot of the same features for a more affordable price. So what do you think? Is the Galaxy S25 worth it, or should you skip it? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more honest, unbiased tech reviews every week.